So, did you understand what I just showed you? No, right? It's not just you, but most people don't understand sign language. But for millions of people, that's how they communicate in day-to-day life. So, I built something to make this easier. So, this is my ASL translator. ASL stands for American Sign Language, and this app can read the hand signs and turn them into text in real life. Let me show you how it works. So this app uses a machine learning model that I trained myself using the images I collected. The model recognized 27 signs, the letters A to Z plus the space sign, and it uses a media pipe to detect the hand and a random forest classifier to predict which sign I am showing. So in here I can select the camera and turn it on, and as you can see it will detect my hand and show the predicted here on the right side. Okay, and let me show you some signs. This is A, B, C. You can see it's picking them up in real time. And there is also this auto add feature. If you click it and hold the sign for like 2 seconds, it will automatically add to this text output area. You can see that like this. Okay, let me spell out a word. I'll sign H E L L O, and here it is. It's in the box, and here you can delete the letters or clear the whole thing by clicking this clear button. Just easy as typing on a keyboard. Now let's see how well it works in real situations. To show you that, I'm gonna change the background and I'm gonna change the lightning. Even though this app is mainly focused on live prediction, I have also add this image upload section. So here you just have to browse an image. Let me browse it. I'm gonna browse my own hand image here, and you can see the image preview here and the prediction here. A few extra features to make it comfortable. You can switch between dark mode and light mode from here, and there is also the flip feature. If you want to mirror your camera, you just have to click this, and you can choose the camera. Like right now I'm using my webcam, but if you want to connect your phone as the camera and use it, then you just have to choose the camera from here. In the future, I like to improve this even more. For example, adding support for full words and sentences, improving accuracy in even more complex conditions, and possibly adding voice output so the app can speak the detected text. This project is a small step forward, making communication easier and more inclusive, because everyone deserves to be understood. And at the start of the video, I just say RYSERA in sign language. Thank you for watching.